Tracking, socializing, and competing with friends while cycling is what makes this fitness routine fun. Now you can bring the same routine home back into your living room. This is JBike, a small device that works with any bicycle you own. It's not only compatible with bicycles, but also with spin bikes like these. First, take off the JBike's rubber seal and pull the battery ribbon out. Then make sure that the battery's positive side is facing the logo side of the device. Now, attach device on the chainstay of the bicycle. Tighten it slightly onto the chainstay by using hog ties. As for the magnet, make sure that the groove is placed into the spoke of the wheel. Then lock the magnet. Align the edge of the magnet to the edge of the device. And remember, the magnet and the device need to be at most approximately 0.6 centimeters apart from each other, but not touching. If you're setting this up on a spin cycle, place the JBike device onto the body while the magnet is placed onto the flywheel. If the flywheel is covered, set up the JBike device on the crank and the magnet onto the body of the spin cycle. Now pair the app with the JBike device. Once you're paired up, we're ready to go. Change scenes or change the avatar based on your preference. You can either take it easy, beat your own times, or create a party with your friends and start racing.
Hey Monica, ready for a race?
Ready when you are. It's time to get active even when you're home. For more info, check out our website. Thanks for watching.